Welcome to Yami's Kitchen. Maayong adlaw sa tanan, magandang araw sa lahat. Today I'm making arroz con pollo, curcuma y verduras. In English, rice with chicken, turmeric, and vegetables. Spanish eat rice during lunchtime only, and they prepare it in one dish. It's rice combination with meat, vegetable, seafood, or anything they want. So let's start by washing the rice in running water. Wash it twice, then drain it using a strainer. Then set aside. Then heat a large pan, sartén grande, and drizzle some olive oil. If it's not available, you can use any oil you have. Then saute the onion, garlic, tomato, and leek. Give it a mix until the onion looks translucent. Hey, pasensya. Sprinkle all the seasonings, the salt, the paprika, and a lot of turmeric. Mix very well to incorporate those seasoning, and also it's the best time to throw in the seasoning at the early stage than during the time that you're almost finished. On that way, the flavor will absorb well. Now add the chicken and mix very well again. And cook for a minute or two. Now let's add the peas, the carrots, and the tomato paste. Let's add some chicken broth so the tomato paste can incorporate well. And mix well. Now let's add the rice and mix very well. Add some broth again and mix. Keep mixing until the starch of the rice comes out and also to have the flavor absorbed to the rice. And pour in the rest of the broth. Then throw in the red bell pepper and raisin and give it a good stir. Cover and cook for 12 to 15 minutes. So the rice by now is cooked. So let's open the cover and yes, it's cooked. Now let's add some additional seasoning, some salt, then pepper. There you go, not much. Let's mix this. Lami, lami, lami. Yum, yum, yum. So now, ato na siyang hukaron. Sulod na ko aning hulmaan sa bundt cake para gimik-gimik. In case na party o fiesta. I know this is delicious. It's good. Delicious. So good. And ikaw, kan ate ko eh.
Muy perfecto.
If you like this video and if you want more recipes from us, don't forget to press the subscribe button, like, and compartir.
Share. Share the good foods.
See, yes. Share the good
Share
food,
good foods.
the recipe. Thank you for watching. Until next time. Bye. Adios, chicas, chicos.